I have so many examples of GCSE practice questions. So this is one of them. Given that 9 raised to the power minus a half equals 27 raised to the power 1 over 4 divided by this, find the exact value of x. This is how their questions come. So if you're preparing for the exams, this YouTube channel is best for you. I have a playlist that contains all of them: GCSE, ACT, and the rest. Solution: 9 raised to the power minus a half equals 27 raised to the power 1 over 4 divided by 3 raised to the power x plus 1. Let's take care of the negative sign here by dividing by 1. So 9 raised to the power half equals to 27 is 3 raised to the power 3. That's 3 cubes 27. Then raised to the power 1 over 4. Divided by this, by x plus 1. We take it to this side. And 9 is 3 squared. Equals to this, will multiply 1 over 4 to have raised to the power 3 divided by 4, then 3 raised to the power x plus 1. This can take care of this comfortably, and we have 1 divided by 3 equals to 3 raised to the power 3 divided by 4, then this. Since they have the same base, we can subtract the powers. That is one of the laws of indices. So 3 raised to the power this, 3 raised by 4 minus opening bracket and accommodate this one. This follows the law that says that if you have 10 raised to the power a divided by 10 raised to the power b, that you can express this as this. The a here stands for this, the b here stands for this one. So we subtract. That is a law of indices. Now 1 over 3 is 3 raised to the power minus 1 equals to, now if you check closely, without doing much, this you have minus x, they have here as minus 1. Now they have the same base, so we can equate the power. So we have here as minus 1 equals to 3 divided by 4 minus x minus 1. So we multiply through by 4 to make the equation straight linear. So we have this minus 4 here equals to 3 minus 4x minus 4, again multiply by 4, give you minus 4. This is gone, then 4 times this, and then this. So we call it like terms. Minus 4 is here. Now we have minus 4 plus 4 equals to 3 minus 4x. Minus 4 plus 4 is 0. Then have 3 minus 4x. That means 3 minus 4x equals to 0. 3 equals to 4x. And then if you divide through by 4 to make x stand alone, we have x equals to 3 divided by 4. So the exact value of x here as needed is just 3 divided by 4. Stop here. Bye bye. Subscribe to this channel for more GCSE practice question, SAT, even long-term and matrix. Have a playlist that contains all of them. Search, look up for it, watch, and get informed. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.